The Adidas Anthony Edwards 2 is the next big step in the signature line of the Minnesota Timberwolves star, bringing a lighter build and sharper performance focus. Releasing in January 2026 with a retail price of $130, this model keeps the fearless attitude of the first AE shoe while refining it for speed and control. The black and yellow colorway delivers a bold, aggressive look, paired with a breathable mesh and textile upper that removes the bulky feel of the previous DPU shell. Built for explosive players, the AE2 features a dual cushioning setup with Light Boost and Lightstrike, giving you a responsive and low-to-the-ground ride. A redesigned propulsion plate improves energy return, while articulated fangs enhance lateral stability during quick cuts. Overall, the AE2 blends stability, flexibility, and standout style, making it a strong option for modern guards and high-flying athletes.